Yes, notes are starting. All right, so today's note is going to be on improper fraction to mixed number. Improper fraction to mixed number. And an improper fraction is a fraction that has a larger numerator than it does what? Than the denominator. Larger numerator than denominator. So I'm going to show you two ways to do this. One method is called chicken strips, and it's just making tally marks to with the number of numerator that's in the numerator. So let's see, we have 13 here, so I'm going to write 13 tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? Now, one thing that you have to understand is that this fraction, what this fraction says or what it means, is 13 divided into groups of 9. 13 divided into groups of 9. Everyone together. 13 divided into groups of 9. Okay? So let's do that. I'm going to count out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to put a box around it. That is one group. Okay? Can I make another group of 9? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So I have one whole group of 9. One whole group of 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 is left over. And then my denominator stays the same. Okay? Now let's try another way. The other way is 13 divided into groups of what? 9. So let's try 13 divided by 9. 9 goes into 13 how many times? 1 time. 1 times 9. 9. 13 subtract 9. 4. Your remainder is 4. So we're going to put 4 here as the remainder, and your denominator is 9. Okay? So it would still, either way, you would still get the 1 and 4 ninths. All right, let's try the 11 over 7. 11 over 7 means 11 divided into groups of 7. One more time. 11 divided into groups of 7. One more. 11 divided into groups of 7. So I'm going to make 11 tally marks. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'm going to put them in groups of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put a box around it. So that's my one whole group. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 is my remainder, which is my new numerator. And my denominator is 7. For those of you that want to divide, same thing. 11 divided into groups of 7. 11 divided by 7. 7 goes into 11 how many times? 1 time. 1 times 7? 7. 11 subtract 7. 4. That's my remainder, which is my new numerator, and then you take your denominator, which is the 7, and you place it again. So it's the same thing, okay? Tally marks are fine for when you have smaller numerators, but when you get into really big numbers, much bigger numbers, this way, this dividing way, is going to work a lot better, okay? Skip counting? I'm not sure if that would work here, because skip counting, you're making something bigger. You need to be able to make groups. What we're doing here is we're making groups of the denominator. So whatever the numerator is, we need to break it down into groups of the denominator. So let's try this. Let's try 12 over 4. So with tally marks, we could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we need groups of what? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a box around it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a box around it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a box around it. How many boxes do I have? 3. Do I have a remainder?
No.
If I have no remainder, I have no fraction. Okay? Let's say that. If I have no remainder, I have no fraction. Because a fraction is just a part of something. It would be a part of the whole group. And I don't have a part left over. So 1, 2, 3, 12 over 4 equals 3. That's all. 3 whole groups divided into 4. 3 whole groups with 4 in each group. 3 whole groups with 4 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?